What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Dustin with Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions, and today we're going to help prevent another yard from flooding by extending out some downspouts. So let's get into it. All right, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be starting over here, having it all go down, come down, across, go over here, tie into this downspout, and then this downspout's going to go all the way down here to the end to a pop-up. And all the water and everything that comes off the house is just going to come straight on down, come here at the curb of the street. Now, let's get started. And here we go. We have it all dug out now. Everything's going to be going all the way to the front. Got it going. Going all the way to the front. Everything is massively deep. We are right above the gas line. And everything's going to end here to the mini dry well. Pop up, build up, facilitate over, and go out. Now to pipe and get the level. All right, here we go. We have everything completely piped up now, all the way to the street. As you can see, we are starting out downhill to level. Downhill to level here. Everything's still continuously going. Tie on the other downspout with the directional T to help keep the flow going the way it's supposed to go and not have much turbulence. Continuing down the path, get closer. We're even more downhill to level down here, so that way everything's going to be forced to build up down here at the mini dry well. As you can see, there's the caution tape for the gas line, which means it's 2 inches right under me. And then everything here is downhill to level. It's going to come over here to the mini dry well. So we have all the rock. You got the holes drilled in at the bottom, rock all the way around. Sit there, burrito wrap it all over, so that way when there's no more rain and no more head pressure to make the water come up and facilitate out, it can then drain back into the ground. Then the water is going to build up, come up, facilitate over, go down, and go down to the nearest storm drain down the street. Now, back bill and show you how it works. All right, and then this is how you test the system. You put the hose in the clean out furthest away. All the water is going to come down. Go down here towards the street. We got this downspout tied into it. Everything's tied in with the directional T. Gonna keep going all the way down here till we reach the end with the mini dry well. Water's gonna come all the way down here. And as it comes down, it's gonna start to build up the mini dry well. Once it starts building up the mini dry well, then it's going to keep continuously flowing, and then once that maxes out, after that, then it'll start building up, and then be able to overflow. So now we're just waiting for the water. There we go, and now we have all the water down here. Right now it is trying to build up the mini dry well at the same time, so it's draining and building, and once it can't drain anymore, it's going to start building up more and more and more. So now we just gotta wait for the buildup. And here we go. This is exactly how it works. Once the mini dry well maxes out, everything comes up, builds up, overflows onto the driveway, goes out, and then it's gonna end up going to the storm drain down the street. That's exactly how you eliminate water from flooding your yard, basement, crawl space by running out your downspouts. Another job well done by Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions. As always, like, share, comment, subscribe, and until the next one.